Hello everyone, my name is Arshna Pandey and I am a biology NEET faculty. I am going to explain your question. The question is containing 4 options. 3 options is wrong here, 1 is the correct one. We have to find out the correct option. The question is from class 11th diversity section. So let me read out the question. The question says that in a moss, the sporophyte, option number A, produces gametes that give rise to the gametophyte. Option B, arises from a spore produced from the gametophyte. Option C, manufactures food for itself as well as for the gametophyte. Option D is partially parasitic on gametophyte. So, moss, it is a member of a bryophyta and the function of the sporophyte is the production of spores. It is green in color. It is photosynthetic in nature. It is autotrophic. Autotrophic means photosynthetic in nature. It will prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis. So let's come to the option number A. In a moss, the sporophyte produces gametes. Gametes, as I said earlier, that the sporophyte is producing spores. The sporophyte is producing spores. It is not producing gamete. And this spores is producing protonema. Protonema is producing birds. And this birds is producing gametophyte. So this option is wrong because the sporophyte is producing spore instead of gametes. Let's come to the next option. In a moss, the sporophyte arises from a spore produced from the gametophyte. As I said earlier, that sporophyte is not arising from the spores. It is not arising from the spores. It is producing spores. So this option is also wrong here. Let's come to the next option. In a moss, the sporophyte manufactures food for itself as well as for the gametophyte. As I said earlier that it is having two stages in its life cycle. One is the gametophyte and another is the sporophyte. Both are green in nature, hence photosynthetic, preparing their own food. It is autotrophic, but sporophyte is preparing food only for itself. It is not preparing for the gametophyte, but it is taking food from the gametophyte. So this option is also wrong because it manufactures food for itself. Till here it is correct, but as well as it is not preparing for the gametophyte. This option is wrong. So let's come to the next option. In a moss, the sporophyte is partially parasitic on the gametophyte. As I said earlier, that sporophyte is preparing food for itself, but it is taking food and energy from the gametophyte. That means it is partially parasitic or it is dependent on the gametophyte for its fulfillment. So this option is correct. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Arshna Pandey and I am going to explain your question. The question carries 4 options. 3 is wrong in this, 1 is correct one. So let me read out the question. The question says that which one of the following is common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae and protonema of mosses? Option A, diplontic life cycle. Option B, members of kingdom Plantae. Option C, mode of nutrition and option D, multiplication by fragmentation. क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि हमारा क्या कॉमन है, क्या सेम है, किसमें? मल्टीसेलुलर फंगी में, फिलामेंटस एल्गी में और प्रोटोनेमा ऑफ मॉसेस में. लेट्स कम टू द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, डिप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल. हमें पता है कि मल्टीसेलुलर फंगी में हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल होता है. हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक, इसीलिए ये ऑप्शन हमारा गलत है क्योंकि ये तीनों में सेम नहीं है. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, मेंबर ऑफ द किंगडम प्लांटी. हमें पता है हमारे पास 5 किंगडम सिस्टम है. आर.एच. टेकर ने हमें दिए हैं 5 किंगडम सिस्टम, जिसमें किंगडम मोनेरा, किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा, किंगडम फंगी, किंगडम प्लांटी और किंगडम एनिमेलिया आता है. तो जब मल्टीसेलुलर फंगी है तो ये अपना सेपरेट किंगडम में है, जिस किंगडम का नाम है किंगडम फंगी. वहीं हम लोग बात करते हैं एल्गी और मॉसेस की, तो ये हमारे आते हैं किंगडम प्लांटी के अंदर में. सो both are not same, इसीलिए ये common नहीं है and this option is also wrong. So let's come to the next option, mode of nutrition. मल्टीसेलुलर फंगी में सैप्रोफाइटिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन होता है, सैप्रोफाइटिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन होता है। वहीं एल्गी और मॉसेस में ये ऑटोट्रॉप्स हैं, इसमें ऑटोट्रॉपिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन होता है। So this option is also wrong because this is not common in all the three cases. Let's come to the next option, multiplication by fragmentation. Yes, this one is correct, क्योंकि इसमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब भी होगा बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्रैगमेंटेशन ही होगा, इसमें डिवीजन होगा तो बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्रैगमेंटेशन ही होगा, इसलिए ये आंसर हमारा करेक्ट है एंड इट इज कॉमन इन ऑल द थ्री केसेस। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, my name is Archana Pandey and I am going to explain a question. The question carries 4 options, 3 option is wrong in this and 1 is correct. We have to find out the correct one. So let's see what the question says. The question says that which one of the following matches is correct. Here we have to find the correct matches. Let's say the option number A, Alternaria, sexual reproduction is absent, Deuteromycetes. Option 2, Mucor, reproduction by conjugation, Ascomycetes. Third, Agaricus, parasitic fungus, Basidiomycetes. And the last one, number 4, is Phytophthora, accepted mycelium, Basidiomycetes. Here we have to find out the correct one. We know that in Alternaria, sexual reproduction is absent. This option is correct and it belongs to the class Deuteromycetes. This is also correct. So option number 1 is correct. Let's come to the option number 2, Mucor. Reproduction by conjugation, no, it is by asexual method by the formation of geospores. And the class Ascomycetes is also wrong. The class is Zygomycetes or Zygomycota. So this option is wrong. Let's come to, because it is not the correct one, let's come to the option number 3, Agaricus, parasitic fungus. No, it's a genus of mushroom. It's a genus of mushroom. And the class Basidiomycetes is also wrong. The class is Agaricomycetes. So this is also wrong. Let's come to the last option, Phytophthora, accepted mycelium. No, it's a plant damaging Mycetes. And the class is not Basidiomycetes, it is Oomycota. So this option is also wrong. It is clear that in Alternaria, sexual reproduction is absent and it belongs to the class Deuteromycetes, and this option is correct. So thank you.